How to automate task reminders in Notion using templates. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate task reminders in Notion using templates. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with, the first thing you need to do is open Notion and create a new page. From here, choose the database option, because databases make automation and reminders much easier to manage. Now let's come towards setting up your structure. Add essential fields like task name, due date, status, and reminder. These properties will help Notion keep everything organized and ready for automation. Next, click on the due date property and enable reminders. Notion automatically lets you choose preset reminders like on the day or 1 hour before, which will be triggered every time a task reaches that due date. Next, save your template and test it out. Click New, select your custom template, and you'll see that all properties, including the reminder, get filled in automatically. Finally, organize your database view using filters or sorts, like showing only upcoming tasks. This helps your automated reminders work even more efficiently by keeping everything clean and visible. And that's how you automate task reminders in Notion using templates. Quick, simple, and perfect for staying productive without manual setup every day. That's all for the video.